What's up, dolls, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the little notification bell, that way you'll be notified each and every time I upload. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you how to wear a bold lip. Okay, dolls, so here's how to wear bold lipstick. Whenever you are wearing bold lipstick, if you don't want it to come off as tacky or a little bit too much, you want to make sure you pair a bold lipstick with a neutral eye, and that's what I've done here today. I just made sure everything was neutral. I made sure my face was neutral. I didn't pile on a whole bunch of pink or red blush. You want to kind of keep everything else neutral to keep the focal point on your lips. First things first, you want to choose a deep enough lip liner. So if I had a deep purple, I would definitely use that, but today I'm just going in with my favorite NYX Suede lip liner, and it's in the shade Clubhopper. So it just looks like this. It's a deep brown. You never ever want to use a dark black or like a deep navy blue on your lip line unless you're specifically doing like an artistry type look that calls for that, but other than that, black lip liner is a no-no. And then you want to take the lip liner and color in a little bit at the corners of your mouth. The reasons for coloring in a little bit at the corners of your mouth, this is what's going to give the bold color depth. It's what's going to give the lip color depth, and it's going to help that bold color blend in with this neutral color of this liner and just kind of make everything flow and seem, you know, effortless. Whenever you feel like you're happy with your liner, go right on in for your lipstick. And you can always touch up and go back in with your liner. So this is how the lipstick looks. Really pretty color. So build up the color by swiping back and forth as much as needed until you feel like you have enough of the color on, and then in between keep puckering your lips so that the lipstick and the lip liner will start to blend together. So as you can see, this looks a hot mess right now. It looks really crazy. So this is what I mean by going back in with the same lip liner. Okay. And after each time you line your lips, go ahead and pucker them to make sure you're blending as much as possible. Also, if you went a little overboard with the lip liner, go ahead and take an angled concealer brush and take some concealer and just clean up the look a little bit. There is nothing wrong with cleaning up the look of things and making it look as precise as you possibly can. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Just put a little bit of this LA Girl Pro Conceal on my brush. And I'm going in to the sides. You do not want to leave that light concealer right there. You want to go ahead and go in with a fluffy blending brush and tap to blend out the concealer. can go in with a light color eyeshadow, which I'm about to show you really quick. So I'm going to go in with like this light matte color with a fluffy blending brush. Just go into it and tap it into the center of the lips. Pucker your lips again. Take some more. Pucker your lips again. And this is mattifying it, but it's also creating that lighter effect. So yes, you can make any bold lipstick pop. You can make it the focal point of your face, but always remember to keep a flush or neutral tone face. Do not go overboard in any of the areas, and just really own that bold lip. Like, draw attention to it, but make sure it's done in a tasteful way. So I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please remember to give it a big thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe if you're not already part of the QueenDollFacee family. And thank you so much for watching, and as always, be gorgeous, be blessed, be queens, my dolls, and until next time, hasta luego!